package, everyone. So we will open it at home, guys. So yeah. So it took some time, guys, to get this package, everyone, because you know, the holiday and yeah, and stuff like that. So okay, so right now, everyone, I am actually walking. Yes, walking again. Here's the river here beside me. Yes, guys, I'm walking to the post office, guys. Yes, the post office. So I'm gonna get, oh, another bird over there. You cannot see that. Yeah, I'm gonna get the package at the post office. So yeah, I hope there's no more problems. So by the way, it's 2 p.m. right now here in France. Yeah, 2 p.m. and it is the 26th of December, everyone. So yeah, oh, it's a bit cold, guys, but it's not really cold. You see, I'm not putting on my scarf. I just put it like that, maybe later, but it's not very cold. Yeah, guys, how about my view here? Yeah, I'm walking beside the river. Sorry, guys, there was someone there talking alone. Like me, talking alone, everyone. Yeah, isn't it amazing, guys, the beauty here? Yeah, this is the beauty of Verdun, everyone. See? Yeah, we are going there. We are going there, everyone. See, yeah, turning around. Oh my god, I hope you saw that bird over there. Oh, we lost it. No, I saw the bird flying over there, but anyway, yeah, let's cross the road again, guys. Cross the road. Teacher always walks around the road and talking to you guys. Let's run. Running, guys, running. So yeah, guys, I am very near to the post office now, everyone. So as you can see, the face looks familiar. The face or the place? The place looks familiar. Yeah, guys, there we go again. I'm gonna show you again the post office, everyone. There it is. So yes, guys, we are going to get in. Okay, are you guys excited to see what's the package? Keep watching, everyone. Bonjour. I guess I have to fall in line, guys, because there are a lot of people, you know, after holiday. Yeah, lots of people here. So this is the post office, guys. I am here inside right now. So here we go. I'm waiting for my turn, everyone. Yeah, people are falling in line right over there, and I can show you more. Yeah. Yes, guys, let's wait for our turn, everyone. So I have here my passport, everyone. This serves as my identification, you know, and something like that to show them that it's me who's going to receive the package. And I have here my paper for the package. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. Okay. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
C'était dernier samedi.
De samedi?
Oui.
On devrait la voir. Oh, bah alors. Voilà.
Funny, guys, we have it here. It's here, everyone. So yes, let's wait, guys. Waiting.
Bah, pas besoin de signature.
Ah, c'est bon? C'est bon?
C'est bon.
Oui, I got it.
Merci.
Merci.
Bonne fin d'année.
Here we go, everyone. So yeah, guys, we got this package, everyone. So we will open it at home, guys. So yeah, I'm excited. What's in it, my dear friend? Thank you so much, my dear friend, for this wonderful gift. Yeah, a Christmas gift for us. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this this thing that you've you've done. Yeah. So let's go home, everyone. Let's go home and open this. Yes, guys, finally we got the package, everyone. This is the package, guys. So you see, yeah, guys. So let's open it, everyone. Let's open it. So yeah, this is from a very good friend and a subscriber from Norway, everyone. Thank you so much, and a big shout out to you, my dear friend. You know who you are. I'm not sure if I should mention your name here, but yeah, thank you so much for this package that you have given to us. This is our Christmas gift. Yeah, guys, are you guys excited to open it? Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh my god, look at my ears, guys, and my nose. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Yes, guys, and red ears also, because it's very cold outside. Suddenly when I came home, I mean on my way home, my god, I suddenly felt very cold, guys. Yeah, look at my ears. It's hot. It's hot. I feel hot on my ears, and it's very red, guys. Yes, 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 that's it. So let's open it, everyone. So you have here, this is from, you know where it is from, everyone? Do you know where? So let me read to you guys. So this is from Ariel and Ruby smiling, everyone. Ruby's foreign family, thank you so much for this wonderful Christmas gift. Big shout out to you. I didn't expect that I could get a gift, you know, from you guys. You are such a very thoughtful people, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for your kindness. So yeah, I'm so happy. So this is from Ariel and Ruby smiling. Big shout out to you, Ariel and Ruby smiling. And of course, CA. Big shout out to you, CA. And yeah, this is from Norway, everyone. And of course, this is for me and for the family. Yes. Oh, there is a love letter, guys. Oh my god. To Casteran family. To Casteran family. We love. We love. Oh, you're very sweet. Ruby's foreign family. I want to cry. It's so sweet of you. Oh. What is this? Oh, very beautiful family. Yes. So yeah, guys, this is Ruby's foreign family, everyone. Yeah, guys, see how beautiful their family is. So I'm going to read the message. Uy, nilap. Sorry guys. Oh, we have chocolate, guys. Oh my god, chocolate. Is this chocolate? Yes, it is chocolate, guys. You see, it's sealed, guys. Chocolate. Yeah, chocolate. Melke chocolade. I'm not sure how to read it, but yeah. Oh my god, you've got chocolate. You like chocolate? Chocolat. Yes. Di merci bien. Wait, and we also have another Messi. Di atang-atang. Di Messi. 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 Okay, wait there. Okay, put it here first, and then we will have another. Oh my God, you have shoes! Louis has shoes! Yes, hold your shoes. You say thank you. You have shoes here. Look, guys, shoes for my daughter, my youngest. Oh my God, this foreign family. Oh, you like your shoes. Okay, hold your shoes and you say thank you. You say Messi, Dako? Messi! Messi! Oh, she's very excited. She wants to wear the shoes.
Mom, she could pair that with the dress.
Yes, look. Oh, it's still big on you, but it's very okay because you grow so fast. It's still big a little. So maybe next month you can wear this. Yeah. Oh, very beautiful. Beautiful? Beautiful? Do you like it? Yes, shoes. Okay, walk there. Huh? What? That's it. And let's have another. And we also have, shoes. This is for, oh my God, a lot of shoes. Oh my gosh, shoes. Shoes, yes. Yes, a lot of shoes. Oh my God. It's time fashion makes you feel. Yes, so I guess this is for me and for my daughter. Anyway, my daughter and me, we have the same size, guys. So yeah. Wow, thank you so much. Oh my God, Ruby's Foreign Family. You're very thoughtful. Yeah, guys. Yes, you can try this. I think it fits you.
I don't know. Let me not get to the camera.
Huh?
Let me not get to the camera. Wait, what?
Oh my gosh, the fit is perfect, guys. Perfect. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. It doesn't fit you? Yes, because your feet are too big.
It's not big.
Yeah, I think your feet are bigger than mine now.
Oh man.
We used to have the same size, everyone, but now her feet are bigger than mine, so it means these are only for me.
Yeah, that's not fair.
Yeah, look. Oh my gosh, it's perfect, everyone. Perfect. Oh my gosh, you see? Perfect. You see how perfect it is? Peace Born Family, thank you so much. Okay, she wants to open the chocolate. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Yes, wait. Oh my gosh. They are excited, guys. They said there's still one more. Oh yeah, this is very useful, guys, for this winter season, you know? Yeah. So this is one for you. Yes. Okay, this is for my daughter.
So I will not get yours.
Yes, don't get mine. Yes, guys, thank you so much. Yes, open the chocolate. Oh my God, everyone is so excited to open the chocolate.
It's very...
Yeah, it smells good.
Thank you, Miss Foreign Family.
Say here. Dali, dayon.
Thank
you, Ruby's Foreign Family. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, you want to eat chocolate? But later we will eat with Daddy. Oh my God, these chocolate. Oh, amazing chocolate.
Two.
Yes, because this is for all
What
of
do we eat
us.
first?
Yeah. You want to eat now? You don't want to wait for Daddy?
No.
Okay, you eat a little. Huh? Yeah, it's a swimming pool. No, it's not swimming pool.
Mountain.
It's mountain, yes.
Mountain.
Now guys, they're very excited. They want to eat the chocolate right away. Oh my gosh. They have a chocolate. Okay, little by little, because I know how you are when you eat chocolate. You spread everywhere. Okay, give to ate. Give to ate, please. Oh no, she doesn't want to give. Okay, go there because I will fix things here. Yeah, so that's really it, guys, for this unboxing of the package, everyone, from Ruby's Foreign Family. Thank you so much, my dear. It is such a very thoughtful deed of yours, guys. So yeah, thank you so much. I feel so happy with all these stuffs, you know. Yes, oh my God, amazing. I love these things, guys. Thank you so much. Well, anyway, anyway, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you're gonna have a wonderful time with your family, and of course, very prosperous new year, everyone. Advanced happy new year, everyone. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Once again, thank you so much to Ariel, Ruby, and Andre, Christian Andre. Thank you so much. A big shout out to you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate this this thing that you have given to us. So yeah, you have here such amazing, really very beautiful, yeah, the beautiful family, guys. They are really beautiful family. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Bye, guys. Bye. Let's try the chocolate, guys. My daughter said it's delicious, so I'm gonna try as well. I haven't tried this chocolate. This is from Norway for sure, because the words here are Norwegian. I'm not sure. I think it's milk chocolate, of course. This one, milk kiss, maybe it means milk. Oh my gosh, it's very good, guys. It's very good. And for the other one, we'll try it later with my husband. Thank you so much.